Rhodes. Where a fallen wonder of the world once stood, knights built a city to confuse invaders, and you're stuck waiting on a tour bus. Rushed past the Street of the Knights. Rushed past the synagogue. A guide waving you on before you've even looked up. Uvamai's Rhodes self-guided audio tour hands you 15 of the island's most iconic sites, ancient temples, medieval fortresses, hidden heritage, all narrated by an expert. For just $6, your access link arrives straight to your inbox, ready whenever you are. No group, no rigid schedule, just Rhodes at your pace. Walk the Street of the Knights, where 7 nations once lived side by side. Stand at the harbor where the Colossus of Rhodes towered for 54 years. Step inside Greece's oldest synagogue, standing since 1577. Climb Monte Smith at sunset for the Acropolis and the ancient stadium below. Every stop, a chapter told in full. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Rhodes, not just photograph it. $6. 15 Rhodes landmarks. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.